Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore. Kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, aki hospital bahedo India but shabarni. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka paret but pila banlay group ban kuli da ka education loan. Pila aruban chuko lahu number khandai nyo saw san riu pranor. Lani khandai pran riu laisan ar riwe khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikil kuit ha benar kam daka Oswell soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan
Uba kirman shila bade menteri sarkar ulah pelak ba ya ka ap ka baning kong apo ka jela ban bot dien ya ka jingwan school ki nohikai ka bada tip kum ka teacher attendance monitoring system ya kini ka ap la pelaj ha ka jingelang lingkot pelalong ha kamera video conference ka office u deputy commissioner cleariat ha ka jing donlang u deputy commissioner ka East Chanti Hills district u Abhilash Baranwal IAS ki officer sarkar bat ki weipat kani ka ap kan lab lada ki nohikai ki pep school klemyo jingbit
performance of our schools. So this is all from my side, sir.
Okay. Our SBO sir, who has worked a lot in developing this application along with one company, UBI Attendance, will be presenting how will the system work. He'll give you all the details. So I request you to kindly pay attention to his screen. And sir, this is something that was considered necessary because you and other headmen, many local representatives have shared their apprehensions and complaints that many of the teachers sometimes either they do not come to school or they send somebody else, as well as sometimes they come late, they leave early. Moreover, the further we used to go away from the national highway or let's say area, the bigger this problem was. So in area, let's say if the problem is of a far lesser scale, then the moment we'll start branching out, let's say if we'll go to Batao or if we'll go to Palas, Saipom or Unkiam, Ranachera, etc. or if we'll go upwards to let's say Viveshwashla, etc. then this problem will manifest itself in a larger scale. So what are our problems? Problems are first, sometimes the teachers do not go to school. And it's not like it's a very recurrent problem in all schools, however in some of them. Still it's a problem that some of the teachers are not ready. Second, we have also received reports that some of the teachers do not go themselves. Rather, what they do is they appoint somebody on their behalf. So let's say if they are receiving a salary of 50,000-60,000 or whatever, they'll appoint somebody on their behalf. Since there is so much of unemployment, some local youth from the same village, which might not have the adequate qualifications also, उनको वो बोलेंगे कि आप ये तो 5,000 आपका तो गांव के बगल में स्कूल है, गांव में स्कूल है, आप जाओ आप पढ़ाओ, वो भी गलत है. Third is that they come to school late और स्कूल से निकल भी जल्दी जाएंगे. So ये तीन मेजर प्रॉब्लम है. इस ऐप के थ्रू हम लोगों ने क्या किया है, इसमें दो मेजर टेक्नोलॉजी है. फर्स्ट इज जियो फेंसिंग. तो जियो फेंसिंग में क्या होता है कि वी हैव गिवन कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ एवरी स्कूल सर एंड वी हैव सेड कि द अटेंडेंस फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. फॉर एग्जांपल अभिलाष वर्मल इज ए टीचर इन लेट्स से सर श्नॉम्पटन एलपी स्कूल का कोऑर्डिनेट है. वी विल मेरे मोबाइल नंबर के अगेंस्ट माय मोबाइल नंबर that school coordinate has been registered. Now, I have the control that I will not allow him to register attendance outside the school campus. हाँ सर, so हम लोगों ने ऐसा लिमिट सेट किया कि सर कोऑर्डिनेट हो सकता है कि थोड़ा गलती हो, इसलिए हम लोगों ने जैसे 20 मीटर्स का रेडियस दे दिया. That it has to be, I mean the app will not allow them to register the attendance if it is outside 20 meters of the coordinate. So they'll try to do that, the attendance will not register here. So it will mark as absent. That is first thing. So जो ये problem है कि teacher लोग स्कूल जाता ही नहीं है, that will be able to solve. So that the teachers can't really take an attendance from home और बोल दिया कि हम लोग present है. That will not happen. Second, there is the technology of facial recognition. अब टीचर किसी को प्रॉक्सी में भेज रहा है, मेरे शक्ल पे आप तो अटेंडेंस रजिस्टर करने की कोशिश करेगा, ऐप विल नॉट अलाउ. So basically there has to be a minimum 70% facial matching. And so we have kept it at 70% for the simple reason that sometimes it may happen that let's say the teacher is sweating or the teacher is wearing let's say cap. So in that case the facial cognition, the facial match जो है सर थोड़ा reduce हो जाएगा. The idea is that from 20th June or latest by 1st July, every attendance of the teacher will have to be present over here. If a teacher is being seen as absent, तो उसके लिए report has to come from SBSU office that the concerned teacher was on leave. पहले से leave के लिए apply कर रखा था. And weekly report generate हो सकता है सर that in this week how many teachers were absent, how many teachers served under time, went to the school, came back in 3 hours. Everything can be monitored. And the idea is sir that finally to basically inculcate discipline amongst the teachers, we will link it to their salary as well. That the days on which they were absent without reason, without taking leave. Because sir, leave ले लिए is a matter of right. If I can also take leave, I need not be in office. But if it is unauthorized absence, their salary will not be given for that. So that they take it seriously and that children of these JNK hills deserve the education. That they get the education that they deserve. तो ये पूरा आइडिया है कि सारा टीचर को स्कूल में जाकर ही अटेंडेंस मार्क करना पड़ेगा और अपना चेहरा दिखाना, अदरवाइज अटेंडेंस मार्क नहीं.
From my side also, I really appreciate, and I believe all of us here appreciate this application which has been introduced newly in the studies, and it is one of a kind to detect the attendance of teachers, and then we believe through this we will try to go ahead in different departments so that we will give justice to the people of these studies. As of now, we have tried only for the teachers, the government of the school, and we believe the teachers who teach in different preschools will attend and will work along with us so that we give justice to the children of these communities. Otherwise, until unless the teachers shows the discipline, how can we teach discipline to our children? So this is the main motive of this application. This app will help a lot, and I believe that all of us will go together and work together. Especially we have our headman who will monitor physically there. So if any complaints later on, we will try to find out how to tackle the complaints or any fault in this application. But what I have said, I mean, today through this launching of this app, we have seen that we learned that this application is almost 100% perfect. So thank you so much to the Deputy Commissioner and to all our stakeholders. I'm personally involved in this application for me. So thank you so much. And I believe that we as well, I hope you all appreciate this. Thank you so much.